Well, not every video can be a banger. Today we're doing something very cool. We are putting the plastic back on this moped. This is a Genuine Scooters brand, China. This plastic thingy got busted because my friend was riding it and he ran into something and flipped over the handlebars and the whole thing went like that. This piece actually I think was fine, but the alignment was all out of whack. So I loosened up the handlebar thingers and got the handlebars all straightened out. So that's why this is all off. But there's a little chrome piece that goes here that needs to be replaced. And this piece is what holds that chrome piece and the headlight in place. So here's the new one. So fresh and clean. First things first, gotta take these screws out to remove this gauge cluster. Okay. I'm gonna put a piece of foam down so I don't scratch this nice new piece. And easy peasy, just put this thing in there. And there you go. This goes on first, then this goes over the headlight, I believe. And we're back. While we're in here, it needs a new speedometer cable right here in the back of the gauge cluster. Ooh, 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 look at her. So she goes, which way does she go in? I think this part of her goes. And she gets kind of threaded through here. Down from the top, down through the top, and then kind of through this thingy. And I'm gonna kind of follow these other cables down here. Go in the back of this, down here. You see that? Yeah, you can see that. So we popped out the bottom here, stroke of luck. Little square cable goes right into there. Just thread the cap on there. Cool. Okay, so I have to screw this little collar in while this is over like this. No big deal. I'm just gonna do it, and it won't be hard. Speedometer cable's tightened down. I've got 4 bolts that go through this trim piece. Screws really that go through there and pull this bad boy down on top like this, like this, like this. I'm just gonna get some screws from my collection that go in there because I think the ones that were in there are too big for this. I don't know why, but they don't fit the hole. You know what goes in the hole has to come out the hole. I found 4 of these, and I'm gonna use these. That's tight, real tight. There we go. 2 of 4. Pretty good. I've got 2 that go in either side like this. Okay, these are actual machine threads. So I'm guessing they're gonna be M5s. Got a couple M5s here and 2 that match. That's gonna be a fit, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is back together. Oh yeah, trim piece. So just pop that on just like so and give it a snap. There we go. There you go. And the hole lines up. Perfect. All right, the last thing we have to do to this moped today is swap out this busted windshield. Pretty sure it fits. I mean, that's kind of a cleaner fit than the other one was. These instructions are hand-drawn. Hello? Yeah, pretty good directions. So you just take this and this side that's recessed here, recessed. So this is flat. This has a little indent in it. Kind of give that a little fold. And the indent side goes on the front of the windshield that's facing away from the driver. Like this. You just kind of push it through there. There you go. And give it a shove and maybe a little turn. There you go. This might be easier if you put like some Vaseline or something on here, so it'll slide through the hole better. There you go. So you got 4 of those. Now you take one of these nuts from your kit here, you put it in this little indent on this barrel looking guy thingy, like that. The other side goes against this. First you put this little washer thing on there. That goes in the hole. Then the bolt goes through. Like that. I'm just gonna give it a few turns. I'm not gonna tighten it down now. Eventually you're gonna thread the bracket through there, and then you'll tighten it down once you get the bracket in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and do these other 3. Now I'm assuming the long end goes in the brackets on the windshield. So just get them facing the same way, thread it through. And I'm not gonna tighten that down yet till I know it's all in the right order here. Do the other side. Stick that through there. Thread that in there. There we go. So it looks like we have one regular threaded and one reverse threaded. So don't mix those up. I'm not sure which one this is. This one has a different thread than this. So I'm gonna keep those together. And there we go. When you hold them up, the threads are going in the same direction. That's what you want. So this goes under here. This goes on top of here, and then this goes through everything. And then that gets bolted into the handlebars. And then the mirror goes through this little bracket, and this little nut goes on the mirror. And I'm gonna do the other one real quick, and then we'll put them back on. Do the same thing on the other side. Got those brackets on there. They're not super tight because I need to be able to slide these in. Oh man, they are a little bit too tight already. It really doesn't take much to get them too tight. All right, here we go. Put this in the hole. Dang, it's still too tight. Get in the hole. Oh. Okay. That took me a really long time. My microphone died, and my wife's getting mad at me because I'm supposed to be in bed. But finally got the thing hooked up. Don't do this way above your head like me. I'm in way over my head on this project. So once you get everything all lined up, it's a good time to go ahead and crank it down. The brackets are tight. I'm gonna tighten up these thingies. Look at that. That's pretty solid. So mostly put back together, looking better than she did in 2 hours ago. Thanks for sticking around to this point. Hopefully you needed to know how to install a Genuine Scooter windshield. Thank you for joining me for day 2 of 30 days in the garage. Smash that subscribe button. I mean, yeah, stick around. Yeah. Subscribe.